Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another wig tutorial from Megalook hair. This is their natural black curly wig with bangs. Now this particular wig, you guys, has no lace whatsoever. It's fully closed off. This is literally one of those wigs where you just kind of throw it on and leave your house. Like literally, there's really nothing you have to do. So I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing. Megalook hair loves to send a ton of gifts along with their wigs. So here is the wig here. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of that texture. It is a curly texture, but it kind of reminds me more of like a kinky texture as well, just because she's super full, but the curls are very much so defined. And again, she has bangs, but she is completely closed off. It also has combs inside of the wig as well as the elastic band, and I have this particular one in 20 inches. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys a close-up of that wig cap. Now I just want to let you guys know that that wig cap was super comfortable. Also, there is no lace, so there's no additional work that you have to worry about. You don't have to do any bleaching, any plucking, adding makeup, melting, none of that. Okay, you just have to throw the wig on. So when it comes to wigs like this, my advice to you guys is either customize it on a mannequin head, like depending on if you want the curls to look a little bit differently, you want to define it, you want to make it fuller. This is that type of wig. Now she is 180% density, so she is already full, and as you guys can see, those curls are already defined. And the main reason why I said it reminds me of a kinky curly texture is mostly because of how full it is, but the curls are defined, so it's a little different. Okay, that's why they just call it a regular curly wig, and I'm sure you guys could see that from the video. Now when it comes to wigs like this, you really just want to customize it to what looks good on you. So me personally, I'd rather have the wig on my head when I'm messing with the curls, and I also try not to rub my fingers through the curls too much. You guys are gonna see me like messing with it a little bit, but I was spraying water and then messing with it because I really liked how defined those curls were, and I did not want to make the hair poofy. If you decide you want to, you know, add a lot more product and really define the curls a lot more, you're more than welcome to do so. But I kind of find that to be a little unnecessary because the wig kind of comes ready for you to just throw on and leave the house, you know what I mean? So I'm kind of just shaping the wig in place and shaping it to how I would like it. So that's literally all I did for the entire tutorial. I do just want to say though that the wig was very easy to work with. Although she is super full and it may seem like it's heavy, it really wasn't. It was super light and the hair was nice and flowy. It was nice and soft, and that's one of the main things that I really liked about it, because even though I love curly wigs, I hate curly wigs that give me such a hard time, and this one did not give me a hard time at all. I also did not have any issues with tangling or shedding. Okay, so after I finished like spraying and kind of playing with the hair a little bit, after it dried from the water that I did put on it, I went in with my pick just to make it fuller in certain areas to kind of just help frame my face a lot more. Again, whatever you choose to do is completely up to you. You could define the curls a whole lot more. You can cut a little bit more layers into it if you would like, but I really enjoyed how the wig came overall. I just really wanted to focus on shaping it. That way I liked how it looked on me. Okay, so believe it or not, you guys, we are actually finished with the entire tutorial. Yes, it was that easy. Yes, it was that simple. She's giving me like summer, Donna Summer type of thing. I don't know. It was just giving summer vibes overall. So I will have the direct link to this unit listed in the description box down below. Make sure you guys check it out. I definitely feel like this is one to have in your collection. It's really quick and easy to install and style. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.